Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make or how to customize some trainers really easily. These are going to be Lion King themed ones because new movies come out and I just thought it'd be a nice theme to do. So you need some canvas trainers. They don't have to be expensive ones, these are just really cheap ones from Primark. And the first thing you're going to do is take out those laces. So it helps if you can remember how to put them back in afterwards. You can colour the laces, but I left mine white. So now I'm just going to paint directly onto these trainers. So I've got some fabric paints. They're not expensive ones, they're just really cheap ones, and you just literally paint directly onto the trainers and you don't need to do anything to them. I know some you have to add heat to it to get it to stay, but these don't, you just paint onto it. I can't remember the actual brand of these because I don't have the packaging anymore. So this is going to be like the sunrise scene from the animated movie. So I'm going to start off by doing the sun, and then I'm going to do the background all in orange. I did find out halfway through it is actually a lot easier if I wet the trainer first a bit, the actual canvas part, and then paint on top. The paint seems to take and spread a bit more, but that did take me a while to actually figure that out. So I'm just going to do this side and the other side of the trainer in orange, and then to break up the orange, this is optional, you can just do it all orange. I'm actually going to do the back bit in yellow because I don't like too much of one colour. I like to break it up a bit. And then also the tongue, so I'm going to cover that in yellow as well, and then I'm going to do a slightly different design on that part, and then you've got to leave it to dry. So now I've drawn a baby Simba on the tongue. I used a pencil just to get the rough shape, and then I'm going to go over in Sharpie pen because this is what I'm actually going to use to do all the detail and things. You can use black fabric paint, but I just found I had more control using a Sharpie pen, so that's why I'm using that. So I just did that on the tongue. Don't want to do too much on the tongue because you can't really see it because of the laces anyway. And then I'm going to do the sides. So for this I am going to pretty much be doing, like I said before, the beginning of the animated movie where all the animals are kind of on their way to go and see baby Simba. And so I'm going to just do a black line across the bottom, and this is just going to be the ground, and I'm going to do just pretty much silhouettes of animals because I can't really draw animals that well. And if you do silhouettes, they don't have to be perfect, just the rough shape of the animal. Because this pretty much what I'm doing now is a stick giraffe. It's supposed to be a giraffe, but if I'd done the detail it wouldn't look right. So I'm basically just doing the silhouettes. So that's all you have to do for that. So you don't need to be excellent at drawing, just doing the rough shape. So do whatever animals you want. I've done a bird. I tried to do a rhino, but it ended up looking like a small elephant because the horn came out a bit thick. And then also done some trees on the sides as well. And so just keep filling up with as many animals and trees as you want, and then just put the laces back in and you're done. Simple as that. Then you can wear them out. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know if you made some of these as well, and if you made the same design or if you made different ones, and send a picture. So thanks for watching. Bye!